Hello, my name is Dr. Beth Stoddard, and I am the Program Director for the Master's Program in Higher Education Administration. I want to take a few minutes to tell you about the program and also to invite you to join us to learn more about the program on March 10th. First of all, the program is a 2-year master's program beginning in late June. It's a 31-unit program, and it's a cohorted program, which means that you'll be taking classes with the same group of students throughout the program. The faculty who teach in the program all have administrative experience in higher education, and many of the faculty are current higher education administrators. Students come from all different types of undergraduate institutions and majors. They all believe that higher education can be a transformative experience, which we can use to create a more just world. Graduates from our program have gone on to work in all sectors of post-secondary education: community college, public research institutions, public regional institutions, and private institutions. They're working in areas such as academic advising, college access, student success. They're working with first-generation students, students who are studying abroad and wish to study abroad, admissions, student housing, athletics. And recently, one of our alumni was elected to the Board of Trustees at Rio Hondo College. Bye-bye.